Okay, I thought it might benefit you guys to just walk you through Schoology in a nice video. Here I am. And show you like where I'm putting things, what you're supposed to do, because from our short Zoom that we were not successful in. This is why we can't talk about sex. Y'all can't handle it. I'm sorry. It's a done deal. You've roasted yourselves. I'm done. No more Zoom. If you wanna like meet up and Zoom with me, like chat or email, I'm more than willing to. I feel like the large group thing was just kind of a test to see if we could just kind of meet up and say what's up, and it didn't go well. So when you're on the homepage, you should check the updates, daily, if not more. I post things and I tell you what we're doing. In the material section, computer's a little slow. I still have the BMI calculator. I still have the BMI extra credit. You can be doing that. The notes folder has all of the notes in it that I've basically just put my PowerPoints there for you if you want to look at those. Some of you didn't grab your notes packets and you got to improvise. You got to write your own notes or print them off yourself or something because you should have grabbed those. This is the quiz that you are going to take by next Wednesday. I'm going to open it up tomorrow. It's a nutrition, body image, and eating disorders quiz. It should be easy. You can take it as many times as you want. So even if you forgot all of your notes and you're like, I'm in trouble, listen to my lecture videos, which we're just about to look at where those are, and take it as many times as you want. I think it's 10 questions, 20 points, 2 points each. Pretty simple. Lecture videos right here. It says, listen to the slides here. I'll talk you through them just like we're in class. So it's basically me doing you the courtesy of talking you through each slide. So if you're someone that is an auditory learner and you like to listen to me talk and you don't care about reading and memorizing, this is something you might want to do. So if I go in here, I have 3 different videos that go with the PowerPoint for body image and eating disorders. We finished nutrition. It should be a done deal. I do have the notes in the nutrition notes in the notes folder if you want to look at those again. But again, how much of this have you learned, or did we forget it all already? So you hit number 1 first, watch the video. They're about 9 to 13 minutes tops. The video only gives me, the screencast I'm using only gives me 15 minutes at a time. So I broke it up into chunks. Then you can watch it in chunks. So maybe I said like on Monday, you just watch number 1. Tuesday, you watch number 2. Wednesday, you watch number 3. And then you take the quiz. And if you fail, maybe you got to come back and listen to them again. Who knows? But that's just, again, me doing this screen with the PowerPoints. I have your student skeleton notes in case you have printing capabilities at home. You could print new ones. Some of you have emailed me saying, hey, I didn't grab my notes. What do I do? And you can either learn through just looking at the notes again here on Schoology. You can just learn through the lecture videos. But I mean, I was hoping you would have grabbed everything when you went to school. So we'll see. Down here is the Vaccine Wars worksheet I gave you at school. Some of you grabbed it and you're like, how do I do this? How do I watch this? We're not there yet. So just, relax. Store it for later use. This is where I want you to go to find your weekly assignments. I'm always going to put the date. So this week is 3:30 through 4/3. It says, welcome to your first week of e-learning. I'm excited to continue to work with you guys, given the circumstance that I can't actually see you. So this is how I'll be giving you assignments for the whole week. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't check in here daily and just say, what's up, check the updates. I might have more information for you. I might change my mind on something. Who knows? But, it doesn't have to be a health day for you to complete health homework. I want you to have a little more flexibility. So if on Monday you're loaded with English homework and you don't have time to do health, that's fine. Do it on Tuesday. Doesn't matter to me. We have a little more flexibility with this online learning. So this week you would have had health Monday and Wednesday. So I kind of said this is what you should be doing. This is what I recommend you do on health days. For these days, you need to complete your notes on body image and eating disorders. Again, I have those lecture videos for you to watch. You can listen to them, get some extra knowledge from me bantering in the background. So, I said I recommend watching 1 or 2 of the videos on Monday and then finishing them on Wednesday, and then your notes should be done. Someone's calling me. What can you do to prepare for next week? Make sure you have completed notes on body image and nutrition. Again, I have them on Schoology if you just want to go through and re-look at the nutrition. Maybe it'll spark something for you. Again, there's a small 20-point quiz on the 2 topics, and I'll let you take it starting tomorrow, and the cutoff date will be next Wednesday. So I'll leave it open for the whole week. Take it as many times as you want. Try to get 100%. Again, the BMI extra credit is on there. I don't know what I'm going to add it to. I'll find something to add it to, but, you know, take your BMI, see if you're at a healthy weight. Should be a good time. And the Zoom calls, I'm not going to do anymore just because I'm not a Zoom professional, so the fact that I didn't know how to block people from posting pictures that nobody wants to see was very disappointing, so thank you, whoever ruined that for us. That was just not a good time. I don't think it's super beneficial just because it was kind of for a check-in. I can check in with you guys through email. You guys have been emailing me, so I think you can handle that on your own. So we won't Zoom anymore just because I'm not going to do instruction through there. I'm going to do it through my lecture videos. So hopefully this helped you navigate Schoology. Some of you are confused, so I hope this helps you just figure out what is on here and where to find, you know, your weekly assignments, because some of you didn't know what you were supposed to be doing. So, again, email me if you have questions. If you want to set up a Zoom with, like, just me and, like, 3 of your friends or something, we can chat. I can show you my cats. There's one. Got him. The catio is in action. I'll show you my catio quick because it's awesome. Oh, there's Daisy. Look. That's my catio. She's chilling in the tunnel. Say hi, Daisy. All the cats love the catio. Here goes Link in the catio. Say hi, Link. Yeah, hi. Alright. Let me know if you have any questions.